Alright, there is one more minor video before we proceed with a big turning point in our programming career. We're going to go over a primitive type variable, and it is going to be the boolean type. Alright, boolean type x. Well, what is this? Alright, this is a type of variable that stores either true or false. True or false. And that's it. Those are the only values it can have. Let's go ahead and print one of these out. And we're going to be using this variable from this point forward. And you're probably going to be using it forever after this point for the rest of your programming career. Maybe not a variable itself, but expressions and such. Alright, so x is, let's see what it says. And it says x is false. Alright, let's go ahead and print true. X is true. That's it for this video. I would elaborate a little bit more on this, but we're going to be using this so much that the rest of the videos are going to cover that from this point forward. Just one last thing. These are keywords because they light up in blue. The values are actually keywords because they light up in blue. Alright, that's it for this video. And the next video is where we really begin to pick up speed. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to get started on the next video.